So Jesus now tells the 9, listen, I didn't tell you this in class. He says, these ones don't go out except by prayer, which you did, and fasting, which you didn't do. Are you getting it? So now, the 12 knows something that the 72 does not know. Are you getting the issue? You are going to meet 3 kinds of people in your life in these 3 areas of communication. This is why before I speak about the dreams, this is why you will see sometimes I become uncomfortable, I become rigid. I just fix myself, I fixate myself when I'm about to cast a vision. Because I'm asking God, who is not going to see the way that I see it? And demonize it because it is not something that they might be in line with.